Welcome to my channel. How to update Orbi satellite firmware. Make sure your Orbi router is connected to the internet and the satellite is connected to the router for seamless updates. Open a web browser and type orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1. Log in with your admin username and password, default, admin, and password. Navigate to the Advanced section at the top of the dashboard to access more settings. Click Check to see if there are any available updates for the Orbi satellite. If multiple satellites are connected, select the one you wish to update. If an update is available, click Update. Confirm any prompts to begin the process. The update may take several minutes. Do not power off the router or satellite during this process. Once the update is complete, the satellite will reboot automatically. Log back into the Orbi web interface to ensure the firmware version is up to date. After the update, check that all connected devices are still functioning properly and reconnect any if needed. Thank you for watching.